In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country in CapCut, whether you're a content creator, an editor, or just someone exploring CapCut's features. Adding your country to your profile can be helpful for collaboration and sharing your location with others. While CapCut doesn't have a dedicated country field in its profile settings, there's a simple workaround using the BIOS section. I'll walk you through each step clearly and make sure you have all the details you need to get it done. Let's dive right in. First, open the CapCut app on your device. This is where everything begins, as you'll need access to your account in order to make changes. If you don't already have the app, it's available on both the App Store and Google Play, so you can download it easily. Next, make sure you're logged into your personal account. Without logging in, you won't be able to access or edit your profile settings. If you're not sure whether you're logged in, look out for prompts to sign in when you open the app. Enter your credentials, and you'll be ready to go. Once you're in, locate the user icon on your screen. Now, depending on your device, this icon might appear at the bottom of the screen or at the top. It's usually an avatar or profile-shaped icon that acts as the gateway to your personal profile and settings. Go ahead and tap it. After that, select View Profile from the menu that pops up. This will take you directly to your profile page, where all your account details and editable options are stored. It's essentially where you go to manage and update your profile information. From your profile page, tap on the Edit Profile button. This is the section where you have full control over your profile details, including things like your display name, profile picture, and most importantly for today's tutorial, your bio. Now, scroll down to the Bio section within the Edit Profile menu. Here's an important note. CapCut doesn't have a dedicated field for entering your country. Instead, the Bio section serves as a flexible space where you can include this information as a workaround. It's a simple solution that works effectively. In the Bio field, type your country, for example. You can write something like country, Canada, or just the name of your location. This method allows you to display your country in a way that's clear and visible to anyone who views your profile. Once you've entered your country, take a moment to review your bio for accuracy and clarity. Double-check that there are no typos or errors, as this is the information that others will see when they visit your profile. It's always good to make sure everything looks professional and polished. When you're happy with your changes, tap the Save button to confirm. Keep in mind that there might be a brief pause while CapCut processes and saves your update. Don't worry if it doesn't appear immediately. Just give it a moment. Finally, verify that your updated bio, including your country, is visible on your profile. This step is important because it confirms that the changes were applied successfully. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back into the Edit Profile section and make adjustments. And that's it. You've now successfully added your country to your CapCut profile. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.